But sometimes more unexpected sounds grab our attention. Like this desert rain frog. Squeaking viral sensation.
Relax.
11 million hits and counting.
Fuck!
It sounds like a dog toy.
Yeah.
But actually, this is the sonorous war cry of a very angry frog.
Do a barrel roll.
Ferocious.